I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
I'm sitting here editing, and I didn't do an intro. Welcome back to another video. Today is a rainy day. Today, my class got canceled and Alana's school was closed because it was supposed to be a tornado watch, strong winds, heavy rain, the whole nine. So both of us were out of school. So y'all gonna see us. Will see me do some stuff around the house and just enjoy our lazy day pretty much. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know.
Got some press-ons, and my daughter messed these up, and I have a set on right now. But look fancy. And these press-ons are so fire. She also gives you all the stuff to put it on. The buffer, filer, and the glue. Yeah. Go ahead and book and get you some press-ons. These aren't my first pair of press-ons, so no, I'm just not promoting her. Y'all know I always get my press-ons from her.
Oh, lady, you know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. When gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom got the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me anytime. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shell. Now my bitches did.
Mac and cheese looking good. It's really for my daughter, so it's like a small pan. She's home from school, of course, so I'm cooking her favorite food, which is mac and cheese. I'm gonna broil it now, so the top can be a little crisp.
I got this one.
And that's gonna take like 30 seconds.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, decide what well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
The red is really throwing me off. The red is throwing me off in that bear, just because I like everything pink. So like this would be super cute. Like, it's super cute, but my man got me this bear, so like it just has to go. Yep, it's cute. We just getting ready for Valentine's Day. I honestly might keep all this on there, because everything I bought, I tried to make sure like it would be cute all year. Especially the dice. I feel like the dice just tie into like me wanting to use the cause bear and all of that. I do want to order a pink cause bear. That's just gonna be too many bears on my bed. And then this was just like super cute because it's like XO, but it's a heart, and I like pink and I like hearts. So it's just really cute. Really, really cute. Yeah. We ain't got nothing to do today. The food just got done for her. I'm gonna eat chili. She's saying she wanna eat chili, and I know she don't want chili, so we really finna just eat. She finna eat chili. I mean, I'm finna eat chili, and she finna eat her mac and cheese and green beans and stuff. I know she don't eat chili, and we don't have no Wi-Fi, so we can't watch no movie. I'm glad the power didn't come out. The power didn't go out, but we finna eat, and then I'm gonna finish putting up my little Valentine decorations. I'm gonna leave my tree up. For one, I'm lazy. For two, I don't want to do all that today. And then for three, it's match my aesthetic. But yeah, we finna eat, can't watch a movie. So we just gonna eat and drink hot chocolate and rest. And I'll probably clean up tonight. I feel like I would have more energy. I feel like I would have more energy tonight just because I'm tired. Like, I just like want to rest my body. I want to rest my body, so like that's really why I'm ready to take a break. I just want to rest my body, and then tonight I could just get up, do everything, and yeah, be in a better mood. But yeah, I'm glad y'all spending the day with us, a rainy day with us, and we ain't doing nothing but getting ready for Valentine's Day and eating and cleaning. I haven't curled my hair. It's still cute. I melted it today. You can tell the difference, like with the melt. So yeah, nails by Danny, pressed by Danny over here. She want to be seen so bad, y'all. She is this affectionate off camera. But yeah, we finna get ready to eat. Let's see y'all when we probably drinking a hot chocolate, because I want to eat in peace.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving.
So this is my living room for Valentine decoration. I feel like I want to leave this up all year, and I can't. But it's cute. I really love how this is metallic. I really wish I could have a metallic blanket to match. Yeah. And this is my other sofa. It's the same thing, but this pillow, this heart pillow, is from last year at Target, I believe, or the year before. Either way, I've been had that pillow. The other two were new. And right here is our Valentine pajamas. I already bought them during Christmas, so we can't wait for Valentine over here, baby. I'm so happy about my shoe rack because my shoes be lined up on the floor, and like, I don't know why I ain't been bought one. But lashes by Jasmine, press-ons by Denny. I'm so like content with my life right now. I'm just happy.
Hey, I'm happy.
She's happy too. Y'all gotta know she's happy.
I'm not so shady.
She's happy.
You're happy. Ah.
Anyway, it's like probably 7 maybe. It's after 7. Oh, she's eating dinner. She gotta eat a bath. I'm fin to get myself a bath too and eat dinner, and we're gonna get some hot chocolate.
I want to chocolate.
Chocolate. We're gonna get us some hot chocolate and watch a movie. And we'll see y'all then. Thank y'all for spending this rainy day with us.
Bye.
Bye. Do I just say pew? No, you gotta do it right there. Yeah, just say pew.
Better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I do put her hot chocolate in here in the fridge, well, the freezer part of the fridge, just so it'll be cool whenever we get out. Yes, your hot chocolate is cooling off. Yeah, so I put hers in here so it could be cool when she can just drink it like chocolate milk. But it's cute. Y'all, this is how I come in the living room and my baby is propped, ready to watch a movie. Yes, we finna watch a movie. This is literally our go-to movie. I just cut the lights off. This is our go-to movie. We don't talk about Bruno, no. And yeah, I got Disney with ads. And my tree's still up. And I don't care.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find.
Ooh. Y'all, I'm trying chili with garlic bread, but I did the garlic bread with cheese, and this looks so good. Oh my god. Had to lick that off that nail, baby. This looks so good. Oh, I know this is gonna be so good. And I baked some muffins. Y'all see the heart shape? Ah. Yeah, real cute, real tea. But this is tea. Y'all try y'all some chili and garlic bread if you haven't already. I'm gonna show y'all my little Valentine decoration here. I just put the heart right there. But this is our movie. Mom. Alana.
So good.
Thank you. And this yummy, yummy chili, baby. It's her eating my bread. Chewing, cheers. So we have our popcorn. This is with sugar. This is with no sugar. And she got regular. And we just catching this bad. Child. Oh yeah. And this is my hot chocolate. So cute. Thank y'all.
Decor. Bye.
Bye. It's from Alana. But thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog.
I got a bill.
And yeah, we're finna watch Encanto and go to bed. Because I got school tomorrow. She got school tomorrow. I am gonna have a cosmetology school vlog coming. Yeah. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.